Hi, my name is Artur Chabunya, Product Manager for the SPI Health Practice. Research shows that healthcare sales organizations are misaligned with the market needs and expectations. SPI's sales alignment solution, specifically designed for healthcare sellers, account managers, and marketers, is a transformational journey designed to develop critical sales competencies that have been statistically linked to creating more demand for your products and services, winning more sales opportunities, growing accounts, and managing performance. The sales transformation journey consists of 5 core elements: sales talent audit, the clinical sales foundation, solution messaging, sales process alignment, and account management foundation. Now, together, these elements focus on solving, in as little as 6 months, critical business challenges such as declining market share, decreasing access to healthcare practitioners, increasing cost of sales, difficulty in positioning value and therapeutic solution differentiation to a variety of healthcare buyers, and leveraging the language of evidence-based medicine. I hope you'll stay with me for the next 6 minutes as I provide an in-depth look at each of these components. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's begin with the sales talent audit.
SPI has worked with over 40 life sciences organizations on similar transformations. We know a thing or two about which competencies are likely to drive your business results. However, if you're skeptical and prefer a fully customized sales talent alignment, we can help you with that as well. Our tailored sales talent audit is easy to set up, and your team can complete it in any number of ways: on their computer or laptop, a tablet device, or a smartphone, all of which offer a fantastic user experience designed for today's busy and mobile professionals. Based on the assessment, the following transformation journey can begin. A clinical sales foundation is essential at the beginning of the transformation journey because all subsequent learning engagements leverage the language of clinical selling. SPI's evidence-based solution selling program is a blended learning approach consisting of 6 e-learning modules that build a clinical sales foundation to address challenges such as inability to access physicians with a high level of influence, inability to link clinical findings to brand messages, decreasing HCP access due to lack of credibility, increasing competition, followed by an 8-hour activity-driven workshop that enables learners to apply in realistic sales situations the same evidence-based medicine principles that physicians learn in medical school. In this workshop, learners critically appraise your organization's clinical studies, link key findings to approved brand messages, and leverage the language and concepts of evidence-based medicine within your organization's sales model. When the clinical sales foundation is established, marketing and sales leaders must work together to develop brand messages and delivery tools that help healthcare providers visualize how your organization's therapeutic solutions solve critical practice or patient issues. The next step in the journey is the solution messaging program. Solution messaging helps sales and marketing leaders collaboratively develop brand messages that emphasize the true differentiation of your solution and organization. The output of the session is sales tools that will be leveraged in the next step of the transformation journey: sales process alignment. Your organization may already have a sales process in place. If so, we'll work with you to define and create automated tools that your sales team can leverage at each step of the process to help advance opportunities and report success to management. If your organization needs a verifiable sales process, we can help you create one. In either case, the learning journey will leverage your specific sales process. Over the past 2 decades, solution selling has evolved to a world-renowned brand of sales methodology that relies on science and a proven process to help sales professionals and their clients work collaboratively toward a mutual goal. With well over 1 million sales professionals trained around the globe, its success is undeniable, and it continues to be the solution of choice for small, medium, and enterprise-level organizations in all industries. Leveraging a blended learning approach, sales process alignment begins with micro-learning modules to establish the foundation of how healthcare buyers buy. Once the vocabulary and the concepts are internalized, learners attend a workshop in which they rely on personal experience, new knowledge, and sales enablement technology to navigate authentic sales opportunities. The experience builds upon the clinical sales foundation by weaving into the sales process the principles of evidence-based medicine. At this point in the learner journey, the focus shifts to application of the learning that has taken place and continued reinforcement of lessons learned to ensure that the knowledge and behaviors are transferred to performance on the job. At Sales Performance International, we consider knowledge and behavior reinforcement the part of the journey where most learning transforms into behavior, leading to situational fluency. This process begins immediately following a learning event and continues until behaviors are repeated with consistency in diverse situations. Leveraging micro, and nano learning assets prescribed with input from data-driven analytics, we excel at this critical part of the learning process where most sales improvement firms tend to disengage. As the sales transformation journey approaches the end, the focus turns to strategic account management, a critical sales competency that is linked to driving business outcomes at various levels of the organization and addressing business and/or healthcare practice issues of multiple stakeholders. Leveraging a blended learning approach, healthcare account management begins with micro-learning modules to establish the foundation of account planning and relationship development. Once the vocabulary and the concepts are internalized, learners attend a workshop in which they evaluate an account, identify and prioritize opportunities, determine account penetration strategy, and validate relationships within the context of an active account.
I hope you enjoyed the journey and have a deeper understanding of our approach to helping our clients transform their sales organization. If you are a sales or a marketing leader who wants to solve critical business challenges such as declining market share, decreasing access to decision makers, difficulty in positioning value, and therapeutic solution differentiation to a variety of healthcare buyers, and leveraging the language of evidence-based medicine, we invite you to connect with us. Let's tailor a solution that focuses on the critical sales competencies that drive your business outcomes.